Do you want full control over the battery consumption on your phone? If you feel that adaptive battery sometimes limits the apps you frequently use, it might be time to turn it off. This option uses artificial intelligence to optimize the battery, but it's not always suitable for every user. In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable this feature and allow your phone to run without any limitations. So let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then tap on the gear icon to open the settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the battery option and tap on it. On the battery settings page, you will see several options. Now, find the option called Background Usage Limits and tap on it. In this section, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen, then select Adaptive Battery. Finally, toggle the switch to turn it off. Once you disable it, your phone will no longer use the adaptive battery feature, which automatically optimizes energy consumption based on your habits. This will give you full control over the apps and their background usage, which can improve performance but may also result in faster battery drain. Now you can enjoy your device without limitations related to battery consumption. And that's all for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get alerts every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.